Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use Revolve in SolidWorks. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to Front Plane and Sketch. Now draw the sketch from origin. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 100 and this line dimension 20 and this line dimension 70. Now this line dimension 100. Now this line dimension 20. Okay. Now go to here, draw the center line. Now give the distance this point and this line distance 50. Okay. Now go to feature and select revolve. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the hair circle. Make center line. Now hair select. Now circle distance, circle diameter 30 as you wish. Now go to feature and extrude card. Now here select through all. Okay. Now go to circular pattern. Now select this box, this circle. Now go to here feature and face. Now select hair card. Now select equal spacing. Now give the value 6 as you wish. Okay. Now go to here just fillet little bit. 1. Now select hair fillet 1. Now again back page fillet 1. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select plain white. Now select hair shaded. Now select materials, cast lead. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.